the bionic zip splitter. Breakneck speed, we drown 10 pints of bitter. We lean all day, and some say they ain't productive. Could that depend upon the demon that you're stuck with? Cause right now, I see clearer than most. I sit here contented with this cheese on toast. I feel the pain of a third world famine. Said wait, we count them blessings and keep jamming. Tis him, scumbag, scum of the earth. His work was nil until he gained the skill of tongues. From 15 years young, straight to my greyback self, I stay top shelf material. Jerk chicken, jerk fish, breakaway slave bliss. Generate G's and then be stashing with the Swiss. Fools can't see this. Under your pistols, a fist full of hip-hop duns. I progressing in the flesh. Esoteric quotes most frightening. Duppy took a hold of my hand while I was writing. Leg on me ting, Duppy leg on me and I summon up the power of Banana Clan. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Swigging that deep root juice. Now we there burning boots. Set them spirit them loose. Go ahead, go slash up the news. With conclusive proof about the truth, the right. Cause whether we hitchhike or push bike or travel kind of trash. Manifest that with oats and roots rap. Manifest that, yeah, I do my zing way. Ain't nothing else I know. Gone up in the life with this ragged bone flow. Squeeze the pain from my belly and set my soul free. Travel over ocean, land and sea. Face enough stress and difficulty. Flung back from the brink. Whining kinda stink. We don't give a frig about what them fools think. Frig your network, our network will speak for itself. Proof of the trophy and the champion belt. Come sun, come rain, come hailstone pelt. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Gloucester living. One hope, one quest. Yeah, wanna submit with some old time shit. Let the old world know it's on some off-key tip. Mega manic. When time the pressure start licked by the hook or by the crook, by the poop or by the kick heave. Sickly cryptic, spitting the code and most proud to present that Crufferton mode. And it shows that bro's done. Seen a few slights. Life roll scenario, reality bites. We in collision with the beast. Lost to religion, now we can't get no peace. Eat that beak out, one for tech, eye for chief. Stoop to the level and we're plotting cold grief. But we should know that discipline make up the geese. Separation of the dat from the rat, that's a must. Proceed, set speed with the Crufferton touch. Proceed, set speed. Crufferton, y'all. Witness the fitness, the Crufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Crufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Crufferton living. One hope, one quest. Witness the fitness, the Crufferton living. One hope,